Question 3 is the first precedence graph you're going to be drawing, or project network you're going to be drawing on the basis of a plan with the days, etc. The important things for you to note is in these instances, the activities are actually the edges. The nodes will represent the points where these activities will start from and the previous activities will finish from. In this instance, always give yourself a bit of room. Use a pencil, clearly tag start, maybe even put in the finish. Reading ahead, you can see that A and B have no immediate predecessors. So A and B are going to start from the start node, the start vertex. C requires A, D requires C. So there's a strand that's going to go from A to C, and D, it looks like there's a last point, F, which requires E and D. Activity E requires B. So my gut feeling here is we'll have a bit of a splay where A heads out and I'll put B heading southwards. Remember as you do this to put the length of the activity for the moment on the arcs or on the edges. Next point, A, C requires A. So C, in this edge, 40. B precedes B, so we'll have an E here. And E takes 14 days. Now, activity D only relied on C. So D takes 27. Now, part F, or F, the installation of the machines, is the last activity. Now, if you're worried with the way in which I've drawn that, because it was a little bit bigger, I could have just resketched that and produced my finish here. But you can see the processes. Try scanning ahead. It's not unusual to have to correct and repeat these as you go. Give yourself plenty of room. Work across your paper. Do not be frightened of having to erase. So I strongly recommend you use a pencil for these early activities.